Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how to use task highlighting in Microsoft Project Desktop app, a quick and powerful way to visually track key tasks without digging through data. Task highlighting helps you instantly spot important updates, like which tasks are late, starting soon, or sitting on your project's critical path. Whether you're leading daily stand-ups, reviewing with stakeholders, or just keeping an eye on progress, this feature keeps you focused on what matters most. Let's see how it works. 1. Click on the View tab at the top of your screen. 2. Then go to the Highlight drop-down menu. You'll see several options, including late tasks, tasks starting soon, tasks with constraints, and tasks on the critical path. Let's select late tasks. Microsoft Project will now automatically highlight any task that's running behind schedule, shown here in yellow. This gives you a quick visual cue so you can take action right away. And that's it! With just a couple of clicks, you can spotlight the most important details in your project, saving time and improving visibility for your entire team. Thanks for watching this session of our Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series, and see you in the next video.